Hello everyone, my name is Brandon and today we have got the BR element tutorial. Now what the BR element does is it adds a space within your coding or text. So say I wanted to space out a header and a paragraph and they're really crunched together. What this does is it allows you to spread them apart so you have more space within. So this is helpful if, say, you have a really long sentence and you just want to break it right where it is. You just type in the BR element and you're done. Now the BR element is actually a block element. It can be used in line, but I'm saying it's a block element because of the fact that, well, it stands by itself and it does not have a closing BR element. Now I'm going to show you guys how you can create this, how you can use it, and so on. So for starters, I'm going to create some new paragraphed text. So yeah. Within my paragraph, I'm going to type in, this is a text test, and then going to create another paragraph. And I'm going to type within this one, this is the BR element, test. And then I'm going to save it, and I'm going to refresh the page. So right now, as you can see, it has a thin little gap between it. Now you can switch the settings of this with CSS, which, by the way, I will probably be getting into soon. The next tutorial, I'm going to be explaining how to create tables, because tables are pretty important, and I also want to do points like an unordered list or a numbered list. So that's what it looks like so far. So now say I was to add the BR element within these two paragraphs. Now you could also have the BR element, we'll say here, and it'll still work. But I like to keep my coding neat and in line with each other. It's entirely up to personal preference, but I recommend that you keep your coding neat and within the proper line of code. So now if I was to refresh the page, you see it adds another space in between it. So this is really useful. So maybe I had a footer. So we'll just type in the footer tag, and I want to type in copyright at 2013 and I was to refresh it. There's my footer. Maybe it's too close together, I don't like it. Okay, so I can add a couple of BRs. So one, this is what happens when you do one. Refresh this. Oh, maybe it's not good. It's not gonna work. It's gonna be mean. But you know, that's just like an example. You can have unlimited amounts of these, just to like space it out to your liking. See, there's another space. So that's really it, guys. And I hope this tutorial helped you. And if you guys have any more questions, please feel free to leave them in the description, and I will get back to you guys as soon as I possibly can. Anyways, guys, my name is Brandon, and I'm out, guys. Peace.